Two-factor authentication, not working on Lightspeed Mobile Fix. If your two-factor authentication isn't working on the Lightspeed mobile app, don't panic. This issue is more common than you might think. The good news is that it's usually something small that you can fix yourself in a few quick steps. Let's start with your phone's time settings. Go to your settings and make sure Set Automatically is turned on for both time and date. Two-factor authentication codes rely on precise timing, and even a slight difference can cause your code to be rejected. Next, check for updates to your Lightspeed mobile app. Outdated versions can cause compatibility issues with the authentication servers. Once updated, restart your phone and try again. If you're using an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy, open it and look for the option to sync time for codes. Tap it to ensure your codes are perfectly aligned with Lightspeed servers. If you're depending on some verification and the code isn't arriving, try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data and turn off any VNs. Some carriers and phone services block or delay automated verification messages. Still not working? Uninstall and reinstall the Lightspeed mobile app. This clears out any corrupted data or security cache that could be interfering with your two-factor process. After reinstalling, log in and re-enable two-factor authentication from scratch. If you've switched phones, lost your authenticator app, or changed your number, tap Can't Access Two-Factor on the login screen. Lightspeed's support team will help verify your identity and restore access safely. Once your app is updated, your time sensed, and your authenticator configured properly, your two-factor authentication should start working again. It's a simple fix that restores access and keeps your trading account protected, because in the fast-moving world of trading, security is just as important as speed.